The Mityvac MV8000 Brake Bleeder is a versatile tool that caters to both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts by offering an all-in-one solution for automotive maintenance. This kit is equipped with the Selectline Hand Pump, which allows users to manually generate consistent vacuum pressure for precise bleeding of hydraulic brake and clutch systems. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Mityvac MV8000 features an ergonomic design and a convenient one-finger vacuum release for ease of use. The gearless diaphragm gauge included in the kit ensures accurate measurement of vacuum pressure, enhancing the tool's efficiency for fluid extraction and brake system bleeding. With a comprehensive range of accessories including a 4.5-ounce fluid reservoir and 4 tapered adapters, this kit offers flexibility for various automotive applications. Durability is a key feature of the Mityvac MV8000, with its sturdy construction ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding environments.